My name is Brad Checky. I'm the executive chef and owner here at Canon restaurant in Sacramento. I got into the restaurant industry early on, really in love with the idea of the camaraderie and things that happen within the kitchen space. And so I really found my love for food on that journey versus kind of getting into restaurants as a way to follow food. I worked in restaurants for about 5 years before I enrolled at the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park. Well, we have a long relationship here in Sacramento with our farmers. And so what we do is we try to make sure we're working with them in their peak season. Oftentimes we let them tell us what they have in the field, and that kind of dictates the menu. Our California grown menu items here that we're really excited. So this year we're doing heirloom tomatoes with a roasted garlic lebna, sweet peppers grown in California, some fresh spring onion that kind of get pickled into a relish. The sweet pepper and shallot relish kind of goes over the top of our heirloom tomatoes and lebna. It's really delicious, refreshing, and has kind of a very familiar, Mediterranean flavor. The world has to support California agriculture because we grow 400 and something specialty crops here, and we feed the world. And so supporting California agriculture supports a sustainable food system for the globe. We're very excited to invite you guys to come visit us here at Canon and taste all of our California grown specialty menu items. Please come visit us this summer or anytime down the road.